Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we have an intriguing topic to discuss that has been causing a lot of headache for Apple device users. If you have ever encountered the dreaded com.apple.mobilephone error 1035, then this video is for you. In the realm of technology, errors and glitches are bound to occur, and Apple devices are no exception. Error 1035 is a common issue that can disrupt your iPhone's functionality, leaving you frustrated and seeking solutions. But fear not, as we delved into the depths of this error code to bring you valuable insights and effective troubleshooting techniques. Throughout the video, we'll explore the possible causes behind this error 1035, examine its impact on your device's performance, and most importantly, equip you with step-by-step instructions to fix this problem. So grab your notepads and get ready to conquer the com.apple.mobilephone error 1035 once and for all. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. One possible cause of error 1035 is a software glitch or bug within the phone app itself. This can happen due to a recent software update, a faulty installation, or even a corrupted system file. Another potential culprit could be a network connectivity issue, which can disrupt the proper functioning of the phone app and trigger this error. Few of the practical solutions to fix the com.apple.mobilephone error 1035 and restore your iPhone's calling functionality are: shift to mobile cellular data, enable airplane mode, set up visual voicemail, update your iPhone. This is all that we can do from our side. If it still doesn't work, then the last and only solution is to visit Apple support. See, the thing is, some kind of technical issues will always be there with you. But what we need to focus on is that just stay relaxed, because staying calm down will help you to think better and think in the right direction. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.